There comes a time in a man's life where he has to come to terms with the amount of projects that he's got. So I did what any reasonable man would do. I bought another one. About 2 months ago, I saw a Colorado come up for sale. I just about bought it without telling my wife. I thought better of it and chose to let the opportunity slip by me. And about a week and a half later, it ended up a block away from my house. Well, it turns out I know the people who bought the truck because I've put their dogs in the backyard a couple times. I stopped by, said hi, what's up, how's it going? And turns out the truck had a knock. Now, many of you guys know that I rebuild these Colorado motors, and I knew exactly what was wrong with it, but the owner decided that he was going to throw a timing kit in it and that would fix all the problems. Not true. I stopped by and I talked to the guys and offered my suggestions, and sure enough, they couldn't get it to run proper. So, knowing what I know, I bought it. So here she is. 07 regular cab, C85, 5-speed, 4-banger, 2.9 liter Chevy Colorado. They had a little front end accident into a snowbank, we assume. So the motor got torn apart because of the knocking and whatnot, and these guys couldn't get it figured out. Pretty sure we can fix that. Frame doesn't look too bad. Hi, you are currently being recorded. But they swapped out the hood and hit the, I think the hood flopped up and hit the roof and the glass. No big deal. We'll get that all sorted out, but we'll do a full walk around in this thing once I get it back home. But right now, let's drag it home. My buddy Mike is gonna give me a hand and tow Colorado around the corner to my house. I'll get this thing backed out and hooked up to the Unimog.
I did not bring gloves. No, it's okay. We'll get it. Broke something. Oh. Well, that's super helpful.
Alright, turns out we didn't have the steering rack assembled. Oops. Alright.
What's our route?
Just 3 rights.
Okay.
Just like that. She's off. How's the AC?
Nice, hot.
That's how you get a really smooth idle. You just don't have a motor working in it.
Yep.
And you're short. I told you I catch dogs on my street all the time. Yeah. She much to look at, but it was $800. All the front end parts and all the extra motor parts are in here. I actually have an extra radiator. This is the replacement hood that needs love. All this is vinyl wrap. This, that, the tailgate was all wrapped, and by that I mean not very good. I think the guy that had it before had a tin shop or a vinyl shop and had some apprentice kid doing this, so we'll get that figured out. I'll get my buddy Lep down the street here to help me with this in another video, and we'll get the windshield replaced at some point later on, because I think Josh said it leaks a little bit. So we'll just get this thing all turned around. Plans for this truck, just gonna rebuild the truck and get it back to running condition. I will throw my lift on it because I don't have a video for that just yet, but we got to get rid of Patrick's 2 other vehicles because he doesn't have anything to drive right now and he's got to get to his appointments and stuff. So we're going to sell those 2, sell his trailer because Burning Man's coming up, and this will be his daily temporarily. We're trying to sell, earn some money, and hopefully we can get him a four-wheel drive pickup, preferably Colorado, because I'm the one that works on them and I don't know a whole lot about Jeeps or S10s anymore. So hopefully we can get this truck turned around, rebuilt for him to drive for a little bit. Then we'll work on the Badlander, and someday we'll put something else in this. I want to lower it. Yes, Josh, I said I want to lower it after with the lift kit on, of course. Lower it a couple inches, put a turbo i6 Trailblazer 4.2 in here, and that'll be my daily goof off shop truck. For now, that's the video. I just wanted to have a quick video showing you guys my new irrational purchase, and you guys are going to want to subscribe if you are not already to see what we do with this over the next couple months. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.